Students, welcome back to Pawan sir Commerce Academy. So today I would like to pick up some important conceptual questions based on partnership fundamental. Now if you see on the board, it is given the concept is appropriations are more than the available profits. That is inadequate profit. It means when there is insufficient profit in the firm, then how we will make the appropriation to the partners? It means that the profit given in the problem, in the questions, it is inadequate, insufficient. Then in such situation, how we will prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Now let us see the problem. These type of questions are expected to come in the CBSE. Normally it is coming also. So let us see the question. On 1st April 2021, Jay and Vijay entered into the partnership firm for supplying the laboratory equipment to the government schools. They contributed the capital rupees 80,000 and rupees 50,000 respectively and agreed to share the profits in the ratio 3:2. The deed provided that the interest on capital shall be allowed at the rate of 9% per annum. Now during the year, firm earned a profit of rupees 7,800 only. Now prepare the profit and loss appropriation account for the year 31st March 2022. Now this is the problem. Now in such case, first of all we have to make the working note and we have to check that how we will distribute the appropriation. So working note. So students, you can see here the capital contributed by the J. So is given here. J's capital is given rupees 80,000, right? And the interest on capital shall be allowed at the rate of 9%. 9%. So if you prepare the interest on capital, in the working note, first calculation of interest on capital, we have right here calculation of interest on capital, right? So J's capital is 80,000. So interest on capital, it becomes interest on capital for J is equal to 80,000 multiplied by 9%. So 9%, it is equal to 9 8 7,200 rupees, 7,200, right? So it is equal to 7,200 rupees. Similarly, if you see the interest on capital for BJ, it is equals to 50,000 is the capital contribution, right? And the rate of interest is again 9%. So 50,000 multiplied by 9%, this is equal to 4,500 rupees, right? 4,500 rupees. So now if you add together, how much amount we are getting? So we are getting here 0, 0, 5 plus 2, 7 and 7 plus 4, 11. 11,700 rupees. Now this is the total amount of interest on capital, right? But you can see the profit given is only 7,800 and we have to give the more interest on capital. It means the profit is not sufficient to pay the interest on capital, right? In such situation, what we will do? Now let us see the second point. In this case, we have to divide the appropriation of profit in the ratio of this, that is 7,200 is to 4,500. This implies that 72 is to 45. This implies that how much? If you bring in the lowest term, you will get 9 8 is the 72 and 9 5 the 45. Means we have to divide in the ratio 8:5, not in the ratio 3:2. Clear? We have to divide in the ratio 8:5 and not in the ratio 3:2. Now in the next video I would like to tell you how we will divide this 8:5 in the given ratio of the amount. Now in this case, how we will divide 8:5? Now how much is the amount? This 7,800, right? So 7,000 for J, it is equals to, let us see here, 7,800 multiplied by 8 divided by 8 plus 5 is 13. Similarly for Vijay, the amount becomes 7800 multiplied by 5 divided by 13. So if you calculate, you will get 13 1 the 13 and 13 6 down, right? Sorry, we have to calculate 13, multiply this amount and we have to check how much amount we are getting. Please check it out. So this amount you have to calculate 7800 divided by 8 by 13 and 7800 divided by 5 by 13. This you have to calculate and check the amount. So students, we are talking about the appropriations which are more than the available profits or inadequate profits. Now the problem already we have discussed now. Now this now I am talking about how this amount can be distributed. So we are getting this amount. The ratio is 7200 is to 4500, that is 8 is to 5. Now the profit is given 7800. So this profit, this net profit will be distributed in the ratio of this interest on capital, that is 7800 multiplied by 8 by 13, which we are getting 4800 here if you calculate, and here 7800 multiplied by 5 by 13. For Vijay we are getting here 3000 rupees. So this amount will be the new interest on capital which is transferred in the profit and loss appropriation account. So students, we have to prepare now the profit and loss appropriation account. This is small problem, but this is the conceptual problem. Normally CBSE tests the understanding skill of the concept. So if you prepare the profit and loss appropriation account for this problem in this way, in the debit column particulars amount, in the credit column particulars amount. In the debit column we have to show here to interest on capital. So this amount we have to transfer for J and Vijay, right? So the first partner is J. So J is equals to, amount will be 4800 rupees. Just now we have calculated, and for Vijay the amount is shown as 3000 rupees. So total amount is now 7800 rupees. Now here we have to show like this: by net profit brought down. This brought down amount is given 7800 rupees. So 7800 rupees we have to make a total balance. So this is amount is balanced. So this is the concept based on the appropriations when it is more than the available profit or inadequate profit. So we will do some more problem based on this concept. So students are advised to prepare the same type of questions from NCERT book or DKQL or any other book, right? So this is the one of the important concept. We will continue back in the next video. Thank you.